Hey traders, welcome back. Picture this. Sun's coming up, it's quiet, and you're ready to take on the markets. Today's video is all about trading psychology strategies for newbies, because winning isn't just about charts, it's about your head. We're talking how to think like a champ, build a strong start, and skip the dumb mistakes. Hang out till the end for some killer tips. If you like this, smash that like button, subscribe, and let's jump in. Imagine you're trading, your heart's thumping. One minute you're flying high, the next you're sweating a loss. That's trading. It's a ride. Two things mess you up: fear and greed. Fear's that cold feeling stopping you from hitting buy. Greed's telling you to hold on for more cash, even when you should cash out. Winners don't let that stuff win. They stay cool. They've got a plan and stick to it. Next time you're freaking out, take a breath. Ask yourself, am I following my rules or just panicking? That's how you stay in charge. Now, let's set you up right. You need a trading plan. It's like a map when you're lost, tells you when to jump in, when to get out, and what you can lose. No plan? You're just guessing, and that's a quick way to crash. Then there's risk. Think of your money like a house. Don't bet more than 1 to 2% on one trade. Keep the doors locked so one hit doesn't wreck you. And goals? Start small. Forget getting rich tomorrow. Aim for 5 to 10% a month. Slow wins build big stacks. Mistakes, they'll trip you up fast. First one, overtrading. It's like chasing every move you see, grabbing too much till you're broke. Chill out, wait for the good ones. Next, don't let feelings take over. Lost money and mad about it? Don't jump back in to fix it. That's a trap. And don't skip the work. Trading without research is like driving in the dark with no lights. Check the charts, know what's up, stay sharp. Skip these screw-ups, and you're already ahead. Discipline's the secret sauce. Trading's not about big wins every day. It's showing up steady. Wait for the right moment. Don't just throw money around. We all mess up sometimes. Win big and you feel like a boss. Lose and you're spooked. That's normal. Spot it, shake it off, and keep your eyes on the big picture. Every day you stick with it, you're stacking up for the long haul. That's how you level up. How do you get good at this? Practice. It's like training for a fight. Use a demo account. Feel the rush, watch your nerves, learn from every move. Don't do it solo. Find traders to talk to, friends or a mentor, like a crew around a fire swapping tips, and keep growing. The market shifts, so you shift too. Stay hungry, keep learning. There you go, your game plan to beat the market. Get your head right, follow your rules, and stay steady. What's the toughest part of trading for you? Drop it in the comments. I want to know. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and tap that bell. Let's crush it together. Catch you next time.